Hello there mga momsies! Nako, another trending product na naman ang ating itatry. And this is no other than from Happy Skin and this is their Jelly Blush. Actually, late na naman si Ma'am Zivani nagawa nito ng product review because this has been released last year pa 2025. But I believe in the saying, better late than never. So this is how the product mga momsies. This is how it looks like. It's very cute. And I think there are 4 shades that you can select from. But what I have here right now is raspberry. And as you all know, I love Happy Skin because they have the skin caring benefits on all their products. So this has hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, which our skin really needs. Now, I know that you're excited for me to try it on mga momsies, but let me just share you this very, very quick information. No? One reason also na medyo hesitant ako and matagal ko siya nagawan talaga ng product review was that based on the reviews that I have watched before, sabi nila, your skin must be prepped well. So that means skincare kayo ng maayos bago nyo i-apply ang product na to. Because if not, hindi magiging maganda ang application and ang itsura nito sa iyong face. So, I've listened and watched them and ready na tong face ko. Naka-skin prep na yan mga momsies. So, apply na natin to. Ayan. So, when you open the product, meron siyang takip. And what I do is that, especially when the first time that I used it, wait lang, ang tigas. Okay, so this is the product. What I do is I dump yung excess here. Kita nyo yan. Okay? Before I apply it on my cheeks. Ganun lang mga momsies. And then you have to be really quick in blending it. Okay? Because it will really set fast. And you can still apply if you want. Now, what I love about it, mga momsies, is that mayroon siyang cooling effect. Ang ganda niyang i-apply sa skin. Especially here on the cheeks, you know, malamig siya. And I love that feeling. Oh, yeah. So, I guess that's enough. So, okay na ako dyan mga momsies. And then, after using the product, I dumped it again. You know, just for hygienic purposes lang. But be careful kasi jelly talaga siya. So, it's very soft. And then, don't forget to put back the cover because this will protect your product. And so, ayan. Diba? Ang fresh ng ating pagmumuka. Parang I woke up like this. And I think this product is good kung nagbi-beach kayo. Yung alam nyo yung hindi nyo kailangan mag-reapply ng makeup. Pero kailangan naka-makeup pa din kayo habang naliligo. Or when you are on the beach or sa pool. Diba? Ganun na kasi ako. Anyway, so let me know your thoughts. If you have tried this one and if you are thinking of trying it, let me know kung how is it on you. And see, yan yung stain na natira dito sa aking hands. And yeah. So if you like this video mga momsies, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do follow me if you haven't yet. And I'll see you on my next one. Godspeed.